Let's introduce with Steven, a college student. He became used to with his MacBook Pro. He did all college assignments in his MacBook Pro. Day by day his MacBook became his favorite and daily essential gadget. Once this MacBook Pro became scratched accidentally after falling from his hand. From that day, he faced several kinds of issues. He wasn't able to submit his important assignments on time. After facing this kind of scenario, he consulted with his father, Mr. George. On that day, Mr. George started to search for the best and reliable MacBook Pro screen repair service at their nearest location. At that time, they noticed the website of iTech Xpress. They reviewed the entire website and called the experts at the number iTech Xpress. They felt satisfied after hearing their satisfactory voice and took service from them. Are you facing the same kind of scenario? You can visit the website https://iTechexpressinc.com to get more information. Experts are ready here to help you properly after hearing from you.